This is an Android Internet box. Android Internet box. It has the closed system of Android. Connect the box to the car's USB port. Wait until the red light flashes to blue. It means the connection is successful. Connect the box's Wi-Fi on the car's screen. After connection, click on the Wi-Fi settings. Check Keep Connected during driving. Click to enter the car's browser. Enter the URL. Click the URL to enter the box interface. If it's the first time, it will restart. Correct the screen resolution. Search and connect the box's Bluetooth on the car. After connection, set this device as priority. After completing the above operations, this product has built-in YouTube and Netflix to play online videos. After inserting TF card and play the built-in videos, music, and pictures. Support wireless Apple CarPlay. It can use Goode Map to update traffic conditions. It can play CarPlay music online. You can make Bluetooth calls. Hey Siri, a more accurate voice assistant. Support wireless Android Auto. Find settings. Click on Wi-Fi to connect to the phone's hotspot. Support mirror link and TV projection. Compatible with original steering wheel controls.